everyone! In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you behind the scenes as I put together 2 birthday cakes. I bypassed filming the baking process, but if you want to learn a step-by-step or watch a tutorial, I will link all my cake videos down below in the description box. I'm going to be sharing with you how I assemble the cakes, and then I'm also going to bring you along with me as I nervously deliver them. Okay, so the cakes are ready to be decorated. I did 2 different flavors. This one is coconut and this one's chocolate. For Shaylin's little brother Jackson, we are going with a very colorful Marvel/DC superhero theme. I'm gonna surprise them with these pictures of him. There's a bunch of these cute pictures I have of him that I'm gonna also stick in the cake. There's Shaylin and him on her shoulder. And then this is Shaylin's little sister, Rylan. That's the 3 of them there. On top of that, I'm gonna add all these candies and goodies. I even have some cookies that I'm gonna stick halfway through, some Lindor chocolate, some sprinkles, lollipops, and gummy worms. He is a candy lover, so I think he will enjoy this cake. As for their great-grandfather's cake, his name is Papa Carlos, and if you can just take a guess here on what theme we're going with, comment it down below. We are going with a Las Vegas theme. Found some chocolate coins. I added a little 2 bottles of Crown Royal and Jack Daniels because, I mean, when you think of Vegas, you gotta have at least 1 drink, right? Since I'm going with like a gold theme, I'm also including some Lindor chocolates, poker chips that I washed and I'm gonna stick into the cake. And then this reminded me of Golden Nugget. It's the milk chocolate with almonds Hershey bars, or nuggets, I guess you can say. These almond rokas, the packaging I thought I was getting was that right there, but when I opened the box, it was quite different. So I'm thinking about removing them from the wrapper possibly. Surprise, surprise, I have California Hotel from Las Vegas. I have that deck. So I decided to forfeit that deck and cut it up, laminate it. Thought it would be pretty cool because when you think of Vegas, you think of cards, gambling, and a royal flush. And then here's Papa Carlos with him at Las Vegas. So that's gonna be a little surprise for them. Happy birthday, Jackson and Papa Carlos. Let's put these cakes together. Okay, honey, let's go.
Got everything?
Yep. All right, we're loaded in the van and I'm gonna sit in the back to make sure we all arrive alive. I don't know what's more scary, assembling the cake or delivering the cake.
Delivery.
Yeah, for sure. Delivering. Pray for us. Is it delicious? Wow. Yeah. Happy birthday! Yum. Honey, shh. Every sound makes... Are you done? Oh my god. Reston's knowledge portion in your video.
Bruh.